Yo, what's up, everyone, and welcome back to TMT, where you master the trend, ride the momentum, and perfect your timing. So, let's begin today's live session. So, we can see that today the most important thing is the what we call the NFP. The CPI data has been greatly increasing. So, let me explain what has happened. Today, the CPI data consumer price index has been announced, and what we can see that the data is lower than expectations. Even though the lower, I don't think it's actually lower than expectations. It's actually 2.7% is exactly the same as last month. But this has been increasing that the Federal Reserve will be continue to drop interest rates in the incoming months. So we might be expectations that in September the Federal Reserve might be dropping rates on 25 basis point. If that really happens, we can see that the dollar index has been dropping down. So where can we see this kind of information? Okay, you can actually watch it from the CME watch tools. So you can actually type at CME watch tools and you can actually look through the data. Okay, you can see that what is their expectation. So we can see that their current expectation is that they are expecting that in September will be cutting rates around 95%. So this has been greatly increasing and pushing a lot pressure on the dollar index. So this has been indirectly pushing pressure on the dollar index lah. Okay, so going back from the technical perspective, okay, so today I was really expectations that the CPI data will be higher than expectations. If that really happens, what can we see? We might be seeing that the dollar index will be going higher, and where is it going to? I'm expecting that the price might be going back to 98.5 or maybe 98.6 or even 98.7 around that area. But in the end, we do see that the price is actually dropping quite dramatically because the CPI data is lower than expectations, even though it's not that much. So we can see that the CPI is the dollar index has been indirectly putting pressure, and this has been putting a lot of support on forex pairings such as the GBP the Euro USD, and other pairings as well. Okay, so I was really expecting that the dollar index is going higher, and this might be putting pressure on the forex pairing. But either way, right now we do see that the dollar index is putting pressure on it, so we can't really say much because once the price has been after 15 minutes still remaining back to the lower sides, our expectation is that the dollar index will be continue going lower. Okay, so right now, what can we see from the gold market? Okay, today I already give out a trading signals from our sites. And where do we do give out our trading signals? Our trading signals is actually giving out from here, and we do speculations that the price will be dropping back. So right now, I'm thinking that the price will be eventually reaching to some kind of ranging area. So in the meantime, overall, we already expectations that the price is going lower. If the price didn't really break through this level, I'm actually expectations that the price will be continue going on the lower sides. Okay, so in the meantime, we'll be continue to do short positions. And where do we expect it to? Our expectation is that the price will be going back to 27 or maybe even 26 around that area. Even though the dollar index has been dropping that much, but it didn't really affect it on the commodities pairing such as the gold or silver. These two pairings didn't really affected much. We can see that it's still on the downside. But from the forex pairing like the GBP and the Euro USD is still remaining back to the top sides. So in the meantime, we'll be keep on watching it and see how it turns out. Okay. So remember everyone, give us a like and subscribe and do follow us. And we'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday from 10 to 11 p.m. So give us like and subscribe so that your support is really crucial at this moment. And we do need your help on the process. Okay, so if you do have any questions, just press the like and subscribe, and we do hope that you can watch our live streaming sessions every single day from Monday till Friday. Okay, so hopefully everyone do give us some support and watch it too. Okay, So right now, let's see what is going on. Okay, so from what we can see right now is that the gold market is likely to continue going lower, and we will be speculations that the price will be going back to 3327 or even going lower. Right now, because it's within the 12 p.m. sessions, so I'm thinking that we can actually do shorts if the price is going higher. Because going back to the 1 minute charts, we can see that the price is actually going through a diamond shaped gain, expanding, and then likely to slowing down. So if the price going back to 52 area, if price going back to 49 to 50 area, we'll be definitely doing shorts, and we just put our stop loss just above on 60, and hopefully we can actually get back to the downsides, okay? Because right now I'm thinking that the price is actually going through a ranging level and just continue to do shots on the higher sides, okay? Hopefully we can actually press back to the downside and price will be going back to the lower, okay? So remember everyone, give us a like and subscribe, and I hopefully everyone can still support our live streaming sessions, okay? So if you do have any questions, feel free to answer us on the comment section below, and I will be definitely answer your questions, okay? So remember, if you do have any questions, leave the comment section below. Okay, so I will be giving out a trading signals right away, and we'll be doing shots on I can say that right now the market is actually putting much more pressure, and right now I think the price will be going back towards on the higher sides. If we can do shots, I think the best scenario is for the 50. So yeah, I think I'm probably doing shots around that area. So let's give out a trading signals first and see how we can get it. Okay, so let's see, and let's see, can we get it down? Even though the market situation is not quite not quite volatile, but I think we can actually do shots on, and best kind of scenario is 50 lah. Stop loss we can just put above to 59. Bit far out to be honest, but no choice. And where can we get it? I think mostly on 44, 44, 42, and 40. Recently the market is a bit funky, but currently I do expect that the market is actually showing some kind of weakness at this moment. So we'll be definitely doing short positions, and hopefully that we can actually get back to the downsides. Okay, so we'll be doing short positions at here 50, 50, and we just put our stop loss below. I think the best kind of scenario is 51 to 50. Right now, I do expect that the price will be showing upside first. So I do expect the price will be going back to 50. So we just need to be patient and see how it turns out. Okay. Right now the market is in the smaller time frame is actually forming a ranging. And in the meantime, we do speculate that the price of gold is continue going lower. Okay. So remember, I will be doing shots if the price do go back to 50, 50, 3350, or 51 or 52. We'll be definitely doing short positions. And if I do think that if the price do really break through this level, I mean, if the price do really break through this 35 around that area, it do really show us that the price is actually going lower. So let's see. Okay, so dollar index, even though it's nothing much difference, but yeah, I do think that we are definitely going on the lower sides. Okay, the Euro USD is still facing some kind of resistance. Seems like the price might be forming a big ranging level from the Euro USD perspective. From the GBP USD, yeah, seems like it's continue going higher. So I'm probably will be giving out or doing a long positions, maybe starting tomorrow. And from the silver, we will continue doing shots. A bit weird to be honest, because we are doing shots on silver and doing shots on gold, but didn't really do much on the what we call the GP. I mean, we do still do shots on GP. I mean, do short as gold and silver and do long on GBUSD and Euro USD. It's a bit weird to be honest, but this is how it is. We just continue to do trades. So remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like and subscribe. Your support is really crucial at this moment. So remember to give us some support out of it. Okay. Okay, so we'll be continue doing short position. So remember everyone, give us some like and subscribe and we'll be continue doing short positions afterwards. So subscribe, follow, like and subscribe and do remember that we'll be continue doing live streaming sessions starting from 10 to 11. Okay, right now I do think that the price is actually going lower and reaching back 27. So today we keep on telling everyone to do shots, so I will be preparing to do shots once the price is going back to this level. Going back to the 1 minute charts, we do see that the price is breaking through this. So it's even give us a much more conviction saying that the price is going lower. So I'm not so sure why, but a lot of people thinking that gold is going higher. But as I mentioned before, using a bigger time frame, we can speculations and we can see that the gold is definitely going lower. And where is it going to? Is actually going back to 27 or even much more lower to 20, I mean 10 or even much more lower. Okay, so remember, if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe and follow us. We'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday till Friday, so your support is really important at this period of time. Okay, so let's see. I do think the price is actually forming some kind of supports and forming back towards on the higher sides. So right now, my speculation is that the price is reaching back towards on the top sides. Support. Good thing, good thing. It's actually a good thing. So we'll be definitely doing short positions. I do expect that the price is going higher. Wanted to break, fail to breaking through, rolling down. So, whoa, good sign, good sign. Oh, continue going lower. Okay, so right now our speculation is that the gold should be going lower, but it's actually quite strong. So we'll be definitely keep on waiting for it. Going back to the 4 hour time frame, finally breaking through. So let's see, is it going back to the lower sides? Okay, 52. Reaching back to the lower sides. I think that we will be speculate that the price of gold it's going lower. So why I'm thinking that the goal is going lower, okay? I will be explaining why, okay? We need to think on the bigger time frame and the middle time frame and the smaller time frame as well, okay? Thinking from the bigger time frame, there's no any reasons that the goal will be going higher. And going back by the bigger time frame, we can see that this year, I think I already mentioned before, this year the goal has been going 8,000 8,700 pips around that area. The average movement on per year on gold movement is about 7,000. So right now it's actually 8. And right now the price we are speculating that 3,500 is the yearly high. So it's not quite likely to see that the price is breaking through this. So, and we can see that the market sentiment is actually shifting as well. So we are likely to see that the gold is dropping. Okay, we are actually assuming that this month gold will be dropping to 3,200 area or even much more lower. So this week and next week is the best week to trade. So remember, if everyone wanted to trade right now, trend is really obvious. Momentum will be also really strong. Timing, you can actually use 50-minute time frame and just keep on doing short positions and getting back to the lower sides. So this is our expectations. So right now, the best kind of scenario is that the price is not likely to go higher. That's why we are thinking to do shorts, and the price will be dropping to 3,200 or even much more lower. Okay, so this week will be confirmations on trend. So this is already giving us a confirmations. So we'll be doing short positions. So we just need to be patient at the moment and we will be doing trade afterwards. Okay. So I'm expectations that the price will be showing some kind of supports on this area. So we just need to wait for a while and just keep on doing about from it. Okay, so our expectations that this is a strong support and we'll be doing shorts if the price do go back to 3,500 area. And yeah, if we do see the price going back to 3,348 and we can actually do shorts. Okay, because right now it's about 10 p.m. around 10. So my expectations and speculations that the price is actually going back towards on the maybe reaching here and then going back to the top sites. So we just need to be patient and see how it goes. Silver is also the same thing. Silver, we already expectations that the silver is going lower, but the forex pairing is different story. So we still need some time to see how it developed in this past few days. But it seems like it's wanted to go higher, so I will be keep on watching it and see how we can do about it. Okay. So remember everyone, if you do really like our content, please give us a like and subscribe and we'll be keep on doing our live streaming sessions every single day no matter what happens from 10 to 11 p.m. Okay? So just keep on watching it and I will be keep on doing it. Okay? Even though right now I think it's not much people watching it. It's quite usual, but from my another live streaming sessions is actually increasing quite a lot because I think the most important thing is consistency. So we'll be consistency and keep on doing it no matter what happens. Okay, so I also can treat it as a time to study the markets. Okay. I think this one is actually a really good one. So we'll be continue doing shorts. Speculations that the price might be reaching back to 27 and then the price will be spiking back towards on the higher side. So after that, we'll be finding a way just do short positions. Okay. So just planning to do short positions. Yeah. 52 do really show some kind of strong momentum. Too bad we didn't really get back to 50 lah. Price just go back to 44. Too bad. But anyway, the price is actually going lower, so we'll be just keep on doing short positions. Not so sure why, but even though the dollar index is dropping, the gold market is also dropping. I think we can actually see the cryptocurrency, the stock indexes. Yeah, the risk aversions is actually increasing lah, because we do see that the stock indexes is going higher. The crude oil is also going higher as well. So in the meantime, we'll be keep on doing shots on gold and silver at the meantime. Okay. And stock excess is going higher. The crude oil is also going higher as well. So in the meantime, we keep on doing shots on gold and silver at the meantime. Okay. Today the internet still considered quite okay. So remember everyone, give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay. Like, subscribe, and follow us. Go still we tag on it. Uh-huh. Keep on watching it, see how it happens. Okay, like and subscribe. I'm not so sure what is happening, but thinking the price might be spiking up and see how it happens. Okay, so let's see. Thinking the price might be reaching back towards on the higher sides. This one is actually a really crucial area. Price didn't really show some confirmations going lower, so we'll be continue doing short positions and keep on holding on it. Okay. The price didn't really reach through, so just wait for it. Thinking the price should be forming some kind of supports out of 27 and the price will be going back towards on the higher sides. A lot of people will be thinking a reversal, but actually the price is going lower. Okay, so we just need to wait and see how it turns out. But to be honest, I don't really think today the market might be going that much because it's already 10:23 p.m. And usually the market will be slowing down starting from 12 a.m. So once the market has been reaching 12 a.m., my expectation is that the market will be starting to slow down and this will be slightly to maybe going back. So we just need to do shots on the higher sides and we'll be definitely doing shots around I think we can actually do shots around I guess 46, 47, 48 around that area should be a really nice. But yeah, I'm definitely keep on doing shots on 50 lah. So we just need to be patient right now. Okay, so just do shots on the higher sides. Okay, so okay, so remember everyone, give us some like and subscribe and do follow us. Today we have been giving out a really good trading signals and really good trading setups on the afternoon. Okay, afternoon I already mentioned that I do shots on this level. Okay, 52, 53. Okay, so you can see it's actually quite solid. And then later on the CPI data, we also announcing to do shots on 62. So 62, I mean, sorry, 52. 52 is actually a really solid resistance area as well. And just put stop loss above this area. If the price didn't really break through this level, then we will be continue to do short positions and looking back towards on the lower sides. Going back to the ATR, we do see that the market momentum is actually increasing as well. So yeah, in the meantime, we'll be definitely doing shorts. Okay, if you do have any questions, remember to comment in the comment section below and give us some like and subscribe. Okay, so thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Okay, so let's see. Right now, not so sure how it goes, but we'll be definitely keep on doing live streaming no matter what happens. Okay. So yeah, I do think the price is actually bouncing back. So we'll be doing shorts afterwards. Dollar index is one of my not least favorite right now. So we can actually do some analysis on the dollar index. To be honest, I really expecting that the dollar index won't be going that much higher because the trend of the dollar index is actually showing us that it's going lower. According from the monthly perspective, we do see that the price of the dollar index is actually going on a downtrend. But because I think it's probably on the end of August, so the price of dollar index should be forming a big ranging level, maybe starting from the next few months, August, September, and August, September, October, November, or December. Around that area, I'm expecting that the dollar index will be funky, should be forming some kind of ranging. And from the weekly time frame, we do see that the price is actually show us the uptrend momentum. It's not that strong, so this is actually giving me a really good confirmations about of it. So even though I'm thinking that the dollar index is going higher from the CPI data, okay, I'm actually quite transparency with it. I was thinking that the CPI data is higher than expectations. So if that happens, the dollar index will be going higher and reaching through 98.5. I was expecting that, and then price will be going lower. But in the end, because the data is lower than expectations, and a lot of people is speculations that the Federal Reserve will be lowering rates on September from 25 basis points. I think it's about 92 to 94% right now. So this has been putting a lot of pressure on the dollar index. So right now, what is my expectations? My expectation is that the dollar index will be weakening down and should be forming a big ranging level. This is my speculation 7.570. That's the chances that the price might be going to. But yeah, I do think that the price of the dollar index is likely to form a big ranging level. This is my thoughts for now. But to be honest, do not really affect it on the gold market. Even though the dollar index has been dropping that much, but the gold and silver didn't really affect it much. So this has been increasing my percentage, and my thoughts about the gold and silver is dropping much more. So overall, our expectations and speculations that the gold, silver will be dropping more. It's much more what can we say about it? Convictions is much more higher, so overall, we will be thinking that the price of gold and silver is definitely going lower. Okay, so if everyone do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and do follow us because we'll be continue doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday from 10 to 11. Okay. Let me see. A bit lagging. Not so sure why. Usually I open this live streaming, keep on lagging out. Not so sure what's the reason behind of it, but hopefully it's a good reasons. Okay, so hmm, already expecting that the dollar index won't be going that much higher, so it's much more likely to reach through this ranging level. Not quite much to drop this. So it's probably going back to the downsides, but forming a big ranging level. So where is it going to? Hmm. Yeah, I do think it's possible that the price might be going back to 97.570. If that's the case, I think there's a chances that the price is forming back and going through. Yeah, seems like the dollar index is probably going lower. Yep. So remember everyone, if you do really like my content, give us a like, subscribe, and follow us, and do give us your supports, okay? So remember, if you do have any questions, just feel free to ask on the comment section below, and we'll be definitely keep on telling you guys about how do we do it and how do we do tradings apart from that, okay? So, hmm, let's see. Let's, let's see someone. Even when you lose, oh, a lot of people watching it. Tyler treats. It's gonna be different every month. You're gonna have some weeks where you're like 100%, and then you're gonna have other weeks where your price is going lower. It's not quite likely to see shit. Internet. It's not quite likely to see that the price is reaching back towards on the higher sides. So currently we are expecting that the price is reaching back to the lower, and where is it going to? It's probably reaching back towards on the lower sides. So dollar index reaching through, this is the first week price reaching through. Yeah, I think the price might be going lower first and then falling back to the higher side. So, probably reaching through the lower, maybe reaching back towards on the lower sides, 97.580, and then the price might be bumping up. Not quite likely to see the dollar index to drop that much, to be honest. But anyway, this is our speculations at the moment, and we'll be continue to do trading afterwards. Okay. Hmm. Let's see. Why we are thinking price is reaching to this level. Okay. So hopefully everyone keep on doing it and keep on give us some kind of like and subscribe, okay? Like and subscribe and we'll be keep on doing our live streaming sessions every single day. Jesus, be very much for all of the birds. Okay, so I do think that because the dollar index is reaching through a certain point and going back to the weekly time frame, and the price still really reach through this level. So it's much more likely to see some kind of ranging, balancing out, and after that might be giving us a directions. So in the meantime, I do expect that the dollar index is showing us a ranging level. Price to really go lower, maybe reaching back and forming a big ranging level. Maybe. So dollar index is a big no-no. I think it's actually quite seems like the GBUSD is much more going higher, and the Euro USD, I might be changing my perspective lah. The Euro USD, because I was thinking the Euro USD is reaching through lower, but let's see how it turns out. Okay, so the goal will be expectations to do shots on the higher sides, and we just keep on doing short positions if the price already reached through 46, 47, and 48. Let's see, might be changing it for the 6, 6, 47, 48, 51. Not quite. 57. And we can actually get back to this level, I guess. 39. Let's get back to 40. 38. And 38. And 32. Okay. So right now I'm doing shots on the higher sides and speculating that the price is going lower. If dollar index is showing signs of going lower because the price is spiking back, forming a ranging level. Let's see. Price 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. Price really rebounds out. Hmm. Hmm. Monthly perspective reaching lower first. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see the price momentum first. Price is actually starting from second, fourth, third, second, first. Okay. Mm, 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 Seems like can't holding up. Uh, yeah, I do think that the prices might be going lower ranging. Maybe pushing back to the lower side first, only that going higher. So yeah, this is, let's see, first week, second, third, 四、3、2、1. I think the price is. Mhm. Okay, so hopefully everyone do really like our content. Give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And we'll be keep on doing our live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday. So I hope that everyone can give us some kind of support out of it. So if you do really like our content, just press the like and subscribe. Okay. And do remember that we'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday from 8 to 11. I'm sorry, from 10 to 11 p.m. Okay, I will be doing live streaming sessions every single day. Okay, I'm thinking that dollar index is bumping up, can't remaining back, so it's much more leaning to go through a ranging level. I'm thinking so. It's quite possible. Just need to find out where is the lowest and the highest place, and then find out the range, and it should be fine. So this one is first, second, third. Reaching through, round nosing back, going higher. This is the first week, first, second, third, and fourth. First, second, first, second, 四，嗯first, second, third, fourth. Okay. Ranging is actually quite important. Last week, this is the ranging. Seems like it's actually wanted to go lower. So yeah, let's see how it turns out. I will be speculating that the dollar index is going lower and then finding a strong bottom, and then afterwards will be going back towards on the higher side. So we keep on just see how it happens, and the gold market will be doing shots on 46. If we do get 46, we'll be definitely doing shots on 46. Okay, so remember. So remember, if you do have any questions, just leave the comment section below and give us some like, subscribe, and do follow our live streaming sessions because we will be keep on doing our live streaming session every single freaking day. Okay, starting from 10 to 11, and we have been already give out our strategy for the day. And right now is actually going downtrend, so we will be doing shots on 46 and just keep on holding on the lower sides. Okay. And other than that, from the silver perspective, we'll be also doing shorts and keep on doing lower. The GBP USD and Euro USD, I think we can actually do long positions from this week. Yeah, I do think that it's quite possible the price is reaching through and wanted to break through this high. So might be changing our directions from the Euro USD and GBP USD. So I think that's possible reaching back to the lower sides and forming back. Uh, let's see. If that's happening, I do think that it's much more likely to break through this and keep on going higher. Okay. So definitely we'll be doing long positions on GBP and also Euro USD. Alright, from the currency strength index, we do see some kind of signs. So let's see from the currency strength index and see what can we see from that period of time. Okay, so from the currency index, strength index, we are actually showing something out of it. So let's see. Okay, so from here we can see that the price is actually reaching back towards on the downsides. So I think GBP pairings is still quite strong. Yeah, the risk aversions is actually increase. Risk aversions is actually decreasing so that the risk assets has been continue going higher. So I think the stock indexes will be definitely going higher this week and Tesla will be definitely going higher as well. I think to this week Tesla it's probably reaching through on the higher sides. If we do see the price is going higher, I'm expecting that the price will be reaching back towards 500 or even much more higher. Um, let's see on other pairings like JP Morgan. Well, JP Morgan is actually quite strong as well. Let's see the weekly time frame. JP Morgan is actually quite strong, and it's also reaching to 40%. Um, what else? The BTC USD. Bitcoin might be showing some kind of weakness at the moment. Okay, So give us some like and subscribe and do follow us. So we'll be speculations to do short positions and see how it happens. So let's see. 52. To be honest, I'm not so sure the algorithm will it push, but hopefully it will be pushing out lah. Okay, so we have another 10 minutes and see how it turns out. Hopefully we can actually get back to 46. If we do, we will be definitely keep on doing short positions and reaching back to 26, 27 to 28. And silver will be also doing short positions as well. I think the silver is actually quite strong, this resistance area. Let's look through on the silver. Silver, okay, let's see. Let's see on the silver perspective. This is reaching true. Yeah, I think the silver is also going lower. Price didn't really reach through back towards this level. So yeah, I think the silver is actually going lower as well and reaching back towards on the lower side. So if I wanted to do shots on silver, I'm definitely aiming much more higher, maybe 37.75. 37.75 is my area. The price didn't really reach through, I can say 37.75. So if I really wanted to do shots, I'm probably doing here. So hopefully we can actually get back to this level, 37.75. If we do get it, I think we can actually do shots and going back towards on the lower sides area. Okay. So 37.75 is where we'll be doing short positions and getting back towards on the downside. Silver is definitely going lower. And other than that, we also can see that the gold is also going lower and GBP Euro USD is definitely going higher. This one out of my expectations, to be honest, because the markets do really show some kind of weakness. I was thinking the price might be reaching through here, but today it's actually a really strange day. Hmm. Okay. Think tomorrow the price might be reaching through some kind of lower sides. And then after that, we can actually do long positions and get back to this level. So tomorrow we'll be doing long on GBSD and Euro USD as well. So yeah, this is what our planning and see how it turns out. Okay. Like and subscribe, everyone. Give us some like and subscribe, and we'll be keep on doing live streaming sessions every single day. Okay, so let's see. I think the price might be reaching through on the higher sides from now. 16, 16, 17. Yeah, it should be reaching back towards on the higher sides. And then the price might be reaching back towards on the lower. So we'll be definitely doing shots on the higher sides. I just need to be patient, and that's about it. So I hopefully everyone today do really learn something else. Give us some like and subscribe, and do follow us, and I will be definitely taking content out of it. I will be definitely shooting a video content, and will be keep on improving. So in the meantime, I hopefully everyone can give us a like and subscribe, and do promote us. Okay, so remember, if you do wanted to know more about it, give us leave your comment at the comment section below. Okay, so if you do have any question, just leave your comment at the comment section below. Okay. So 15 view. But the view is actually quite consistent. Okay. Not so sure. Is it because of the English or Chinese? Is it that big of difference? Not much people watching it. Content is really important. Keep on just doing live streaming on this one. It's not a really good sign. Okay, so I think we'll be ending our live streaming soon. Another 3 minutes, we'll be ending it. Even though I think today the view is not consistent quite high, it's actually consistent one, and the view is the highest is six. Thing is, more or less, is actually improving. Stream health is actually going great. So yeah, I think the content part definitely need to upgrading it. I think in the future the content part is definitely a big problem. So yeah, content. If not keep on doing it is not quite well. Ay ay ay. Remember, everyone, give us like and subscribe and do honest live. Can you put it on the home charts? How to tackle it? Hmm, need to keep on improving, and we do expect the price should be going back to 46, and just keep on doing shots. Going back. Well, this is our expectations for now. So I will be ending our live streaming sessions and about 1 more minute. So if you do have any questions, just leave the comment section below. And I do expect that right now we don't have much people watching it, but in the future we'll be keep on creating info and keep on creating informations out of it. So hopefully everyone do give us like and subscribe, follow us, and we'll be keep on doing it from tomorrow 10 to 11. Okay, so thank you for everyone watching, and I will be see you guys tomorrow.